Time meeting between these two teams. First of two this season. Sit back and enjoy this one off the draw. Carolina gets to it straight away. Dougie Hamilton along the near side ices the puck. Faceoff will be in the far circle off the draw. One back. Gardner to Zingle, top of the near ring. Playing catch with Niederreiter. Niederreiter, power move off Hellebuyck. They score! Lucas Wallmark out in front. Right place, right time. $1:37 left in the first. Carolina off and running.
Play faceoff eventually scores the goal. Help from Necas on his toes to get the power play puck possession. Boy, talk about this power play unit being outstanding late in first periods. It was this group that got 2 first period power play goals a week ago in Edmonton.
15 seconds left in the first. 1-0 Carolina. To the point, Spiza. To the wall, Wheeler, Blake Wheeler in the slot. Nikolai Ehlers marked by 3. He'll wind it, a shot, tipped in! Jack Roslovic out in front.
Hamilton, he's there. Oh, and then he catches a tough break.
Teravainen shouldered by Neil Pionk. Aho grinding in front for Niederreiter. All the way back for Slavin. His shot off the stick of Laine wide. Teravainen across. They score! That's hockey, baby! The Cherubs have a connection. Sebastian Aho on the receiving end of a beauty from Teuvo Teravainen. 2-1.
This line has been deadly each and every shift in this period. Look at that puck support on the forecheck. You start to wear Winnipeg down. Slavin feels that. You get the puck retrieval you need. No look pass. On the tape. With pace. Aho on the receiving end.
Edmondson gets to it. They wave it off in the last second. Pesce now in control. Forechecks by 2. Connor's one of those near point. Beaulieu. Nathan Beaulieu, a winder. Tipped in! Another tip. Patrick Laine and Kyle Connor both out in front. Nathan Beaulieu from the point. Inside out, Pionk, he does a power move in front, off Spiza. Svechnikov turns, the shot taken, forked and blocked in front. Foegele and Stahl knocking on the door. Svechnikov out of the corner. And back of the goal, lacrosse move, he scores! He did it again! Andrei Svechnikov, his second lacrosse-style goal!
Officially international. He did it against the Calgary Flames, a Canadian team at home, but now it's cross customs. It has gotten through immigration and a gigantic goal. And he's done it on 2 of the bigger goaltenders in the league, in Riddick and now Hellebuyck.
Now near corner in his own territory, Slavin. Pushed out to center by Hamilton. Nice little play, Niederreiter cross ice, Aho's in, he scores! Sebastian Aho does it again on the receiving end, this time from Nino Niederreiter.
And I like what Aho does, opening up Hellebuyck.
Worked along by Stahl, regained by Teravainen, bumpered out by Svechnikov. Hamilton, Aho in front. They connect the dots. They score! That's hockey, baby! Hey, what do you say? Jordan Stahl makes it 5-2, Carolina. Center. He does now. Foegele, cross ice for Svechnikov out of the corner. It's a great story. Here's Stahl right in. Turned out. Good save by Brossoit. Foegele hounded him back of the goal by Neil Pionk. Shoved in by Svechnikov. Far corner. Jordan Stahl. Pinned on in the slot by Foegele. Back for Hamilton. Looking for a typical on Spiza. And off the pipe. No, it's in. They indicate goal. Jordan Stahl. Rifles in by Brossoit.
Stahl back barring in. That's a goal.
Wheeler resets it. Blake Wheeler. Laine, a wedge pass for Scheifele. Scheifele up top for Pionk. Around the horn, Wheeler again. Cross ice, Scheifele scores! Mark Scheifele gets the cross seam pass from Blake Wheeler. Power play goal. 6-3 Carolina.
Carolina's penalty killing has been one of our game keys, was to stay out of the box. And now you can see exactly why it was so important. This just the second power play the Jets have had tonight. And you and I watched Wheeler.
Aerial flip, down and out, breakaway. Brock McGinn will settle it down and lose control. 3 seconds left, all the way back, a rousing win. What a performance tonight in Winnipeg.